avoid pitfalls with this affiliate marketing information. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn an extra income at home. However, it is more than just throwing together a website. There are things that you should do in order to become successful in affiliate marketing. Here are some tips to set you on the right path. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. If you are trying to make some extra money online and are thinking about doing affiliate marketing, you might want to pay someone else to set up a website for you. There are a variety of companies that guarantee a payout if you go through them to set up your affiliate advertising venture. Do not fall for schemes from so-called experts in the field who want to sell you on their affiliate marketing products. Believe it or not, every single piece of information you need to know about marketing can be found free of charge from multiple places online. The only benefit of a purchased program is that it gives you the information without searching. Set up an affiliate marketing system so that you can have affiliates promoting your videos for you. This is good for everyone because it helps promote your product or service and it helps the affiliates earn money. By delegating the job of watching your videos, you widen your circle of readers and followers. A great affiliate marketing tip is to promote good products on your website. By promoting good products, your customers will trust you even more. On the other hand, if you promote an inferior product, you might lose the trust of your customers, which is definitely bad for business. You can raise the amount of curiosity surrounding your product, by giving users half of the information advertised and telling them they have to sign up, in order to get the rest of the information. This makes them feel like they are privy to guarded information and this exclusivity will prompt them to make more purchases. You can see that it takes a bit of learning, in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. The suggestions described here are just some of the things that you should know and apply to your business. If you keep gaining knowledge and are willing to work hard on your business, you will become successful. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.